Leading the brigade, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring the phrase, leading the brigade. This expression is not just about commanding a group of soldiers, it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Stick with us to uncover its meanings, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Leading the brigade typically refers to someone who is at the forefront of a group, leading or pioneering a particular movement, activity, or cause. The term brigade originally denotes a military unit, which gives the phrase a sense of organized effort and leadership. However, in everyday language, it's used more broadly to signify leadership in any organized effort, not just military. The phrase, leading the brigade, draws from military vocabulary, where a brigade is a significant unit of soldiers led by a brigadier or a similar rank. Historically, being in charge of a brigade was a substantial responsibility, requiring leadership, strategy, and courage. Over time, this concept has been metaphorically extended to describe leaders in non-military contexts, emphasizing their role in guiding and inspiring others towards a common goal. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use leading the brigade in everyday English. Innovation in technology. Elon Musk is often seen as leading the brigade in space exploration with his company, SpaceX. Environmental activism. Greta Thunberg is leading the brigade against climate change, inspiring millions to take action. Cultural movements. The Beatles were leading the brigade in the 60s music revolution, influencing the global music scene. When you want to use leading the brigade, think about situations where someone is pioneering or spearheading an initiative or cause. It's a powerful way to acknowledge their leadership and the collective effort they're guiding. This phrase is perfect for formal and informal discussions alike, especially when highlighting someone's leadership qualities or the impact of their efforts. Understanding and using phrases like leading the brigade can enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey ideas more vividly. Whether discussing historical figures, contemporary leaders, or even movements within your community, this phrase adds depth to your conversations. We hope this video helps you grasp its meaning and usage. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.